Hey there, welcome to KnowledgeHeals, the place where we make complex concepts fun, interactive, and easy to understand. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about the wonders of math, you've come to the right spot. If you're new here, we dive deep into the world of mathematics, from basic algebra to advanced calculus, and even the real-world applications of math in business, science, and everyday life. So, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and join our journey of making knowledge fun. So, what exactly is linear programming? Let's break it down. What is linear programming? Linear programming is a mathematical technique used for optimization. Optimization means finding the best possible outcome under a given set of conditions. So, it helps businesses and individuals decide the best way to allocate resources, whether it's time, money, or materials. Example: imagine you are running a bakery and you need to figure out the best combination of cakes and pastries to make that will maximize your profit, but you are limited by how much flour, sugar, and oven time you have. Linear programming can help you solve that problem. Linear programming isn't just about solving equations on paper, it's actually used to solve real-world problems. Let's explore a few real-life applications where linear programming can make a huge difference. Business optimization. In the business world, linear programming is used to optimize profit. Let's say you're a manufacturer producing two products. Let's call them Product A and Product B. You have limited raw materials, like wood and metal, and you want to figure out how much of each product to make to maximize your profit. Problem: Product A requires 3 units of wood and 2 units of metal. Product B requires 4 units of wood and 3 units of metal. You have a total of 120 units of wood and 100 units of metal. The profit for Product A is 50 rupees per unit, and for Product B is 80 rupees per unit. How linear programming helps. Using linear programming, you can set up equations to figure out how much of Product A and Product B you should produce to get the maximum profit. The constraints, wood and metal limits, are part of the solution. It's like solving a puzzle, but the outcome gives you the highest possible profit. Real-life example. This approach is used by companies around the world, like car manufacturers, to determine the optimal number of vehicles to produce based on available resources. Optimizing diet plans. Linear programming can even be used in healthcare and nutrition. Let's imagine you're a nutritionist and you need to create a balanced diet plan for a patient on a strict budget. You want to make sure they get all the required nutrients, like protein, vitamins, and minerals, but you also need to keep it affordable. Problem: you have a set budget for the food. You need to choose food items that provide a specific amount of proteins, vitamins, and calories. Each food item costs a certain amount and has a limited nutritional value. How linear programming helps. Linear programming helps here by providing an optimized food combination that meets all the nutritional requirements without exceeding the budget. It's like creating a meal plan that is both healthy and cost-effective. Real-life example. Hospitals and health clinics use this approach to plan the diets of patients based on specific nutritional needs and limited resources. Optimizing delivery routes. Next, let's talk about logistics. Imagine you're working for a delivery company, and you have several trucks that need to deliver goods to various locations. The goal is to minimize the cost of transportation while still delivering on time. Problem: you have multiple delivery routes with varying fuel costs. You need to decide which routes to take to reduce transportation costs and still meet the delivery deadlines. How linear programming helps. By using linear programming, companies can calculate the optimal route that minimizes travel distance and fuel consumption while meeting delivery deadlines. It's like creating the fastest, cheapest path to your destination. Real-life example. Companies like FedEx and UPS use linear programming to optimize delivery routes, saving millions of dollars annually in fuel and time.
Maximizing efficiency in manufacturing. In manufacturing, companies need to allocate resources like workers, machines, and raw materials efficiently to maximize production. Problem: you have limited workers and machines available. You need to figure out how to allocate them across various tasks to maximize output while keeping costs low. How linear programming helps. Linear programming can be used to find the optimal allocation of workers and machines to tasks, minimizing downtime and maximizing production efficiency. Real-life example. This is a common application in industries like car manufacturing, where optimizing assembly line efficiency is crucial to staying competitive. Linear programming is a powerful mathematical tool used to optimize profits, resources, and efficiency in real-world applications. From business optimization and diet planning to logistics and manufacturing, the possibilities are endless. I encourage you to explore how linear programming can be applied in your daily life or your area of interest. Whether it's business, healthcare, or even your personal budget, linear programming can make things more efficient. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting and practical math videos. Drop a comment below if you want to learn more about linear programming or any other concept. Thanks for watching. Keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.